Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best auto body sanding blocks you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best auto body sanding blocks in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Werhoo Auto Body Sanding Blocks. The Werhoo sanding blocks are a versatile and practical tool designed for both automotive bodywork and woodworking applications. These blocks aim to replace more expensive brands like 3M, offering an affordable alternative with hook and loop compatibility for easy sandpaper changes. Whether you're smoothing car panels or working on a woodworking project, these sanding blocks are engineered to provide precision, control, and durability. The blocks are designed with automotive bodywork in mind. They provide good surface control, helping users achieve a smooth, even finish when sanding car panels, prepping for paint, or smoothing out body filler. The blocks work well on both flat and slightly curved surfaces, making them versatile enough for various tasks. Built to withstand the wear and tear of intense sanding projects, these blocks are made from durable materials that hold up well under pressure. They are rigid enough for heavy-duty sanding but still flexible enough to contour to surfaces when necessary. The lightweight and ergonomic design makes these sanding blocks comfortable to use over long periods. They are easy to grip and maneuver, reducing hand fatigue during extended sanding sessions, which is especially beneficial for large automotive or woodworking projects. For details, let's watch more. Our second best auto body sanding blocks is Dura-Block Autobody Sanding Blocks. The Dura-Block 6-piece set is a highly popular choice among professionals and DIYers working in automotive bodywork and other sanding applications. Made from flexible EVA foam, these sanding blocks are designed for wet or dry sanding, offering versatility and superior surface control. They are ideal for smoothing out panels, prepping surfaces for paint, and achieving precision in auto bodywork. The sanding blocks are made from flexible EVA foam, which allows them to conform to the contours of the surface. This flexibility is essential for sanding curved panels or hard-to-reach areas, making it easier to achieve a smooth, consistent finish without gouging or uneven sanding. The 6-piece set includes a range of block sizes that cover different sanding needs. Whether you're working on large panels or detailed, intricate areas, this set offers the right block for the job. The variety ensures that you can switch between different blocks as your project demands. The versatility to use these blocks for both wet and dry sanding adds to their value. Wet sanding helps achieve a finer, smoother finish, while dry sanding is great for quicker material removal. This adaptability makes the Dura-Block set suitable for various phases of a project, from initial roughing to final polishing. The blocks are made to withstand tough automotive environments. They hold up well under heavy use and resist wear and tear, even in demanding sanding applications. Their durability ensures they can be used on multiple projects without breaking down. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Dura-Gold Hand Sanding Block. The Dura-Gold Pro Series Classic Rectangle Hand Sanding Block Kit is a versatile set designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering 3 different sized sanding blocks: 5, 7 to 3 by 4, and 10 inch. The kit is ideal for auto body paint prep, woodworking, and various surface finishing tasks. It comes equipped with hook and loop backing, and a PSA sandpaper conversion adapter pad for maximum versatility. The Dura-Gold Pro Series Classic Rectangle Hand Sanding Block Kit is a versatile set designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, offering 3 different sized sanding blocks: 5, 7 to 3 by 4, and 10 inch. The kit is ideal for auto body paint prep, woodworking, and various surface finishing tasks. It comes equipped with hook and loop backing, and a PSA sandpaper conversion adapter pad for maximum versatility. The hook and loop system makes changing sandpaper incredibly fast and convenient. It saves time, especially on large projects, and allows for quick transitions between different grits of sandpaper. The system ensures a secure attachment and reduces slippage during sanding. This kit includes a PSA sandpaper conversion adapter pad, allowing you to use both hook and loop and PSA sandpaper. This added flexibility means you can use any type of sandpaper you have on hand, enhancing the kit's value. Number 4 in our side is Motor Guard Sanding Block. The Motor Guard Soft Block SB1 is a fantastic choice for anyone working on projects that involve curved or uneven surfaces. Its flexible design makes it easy to conform to the shape of the material, whether you're working on car body panels, furniture, or any other project that requires precision sanding. The SB1's flexibility makes it ideal for sanding irregular surfaces, curves, and tight spaces. It bends and contours to match the surface, ensuring that you can sand areas that would be difficult to reach with a traditional rigid block. This sanding block is made from soft foam material, which not only conforms to the shape of the surface but also provides a comfortable grip during extended sanding sessions. The soft block reduces hand fatigue and makes it easy to apply even pressure. The SB1 is extremely lightweight, making it easy to maneuver over large surfaces. Whether you're sanding a car panel or smoothing out a woodworking project, the low weight ensures greater control and precision without added strain. The SB1 performs well in both wet and dry sanding situations. This makes it suitable for a range of applications, whether you're prepping a car for painting or finishing a woodworking project. Last in our best Autobody sanding blocks list is Feeligivin Autobody sanding blocks. The Feeligivin Upgrade Sanding Block Kit is a versatile 7-piece sanding block set designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're working on auto body repairs, woodworking projects, or general bodywork, this kit offers a variety of blocks that allow for both wet and dry sanding. With a combination of light, hard, and flexible blocks, it caters to a range of surfaces and sanding needs. The kit includes 7 sanding blocks, each tailored for different types of work. The diversity of blocks, light, hard, and flexible, makes it highly versatile, whether you're working on automotive repairs, woodworking, or other bodywork tasks. The inclusion of a mid-block is particularly helpful for sanding larger, flat surfaces with precision. This kit is that it supports both wet and dry sanding. Wet sanding is excellent for achieving a smoother finish and reducing dust, while dry sanding is ideal for quicker material removal. This flexibility makes the Feeligivin kit suitable for a variety of projects and surfaces.